Selecting the proper submersible water pump is extremely important in order to provide optimum performance for your pond or waterfall. Aquascape AquaSurge pond pumps are ideal for a wide variety of water feature projects, including ponds and pondless waterfalls. These pumps are designed for continuous use in pond skimmers or pump vaults. Available pumps range in flow rates from 2,000 gallons per hour to 5,000 gallons per hour. Adjustable flow models are also available, which include the Aquascape Smart Control Receiver, providing both onboard flow adjustment and the option to connect pumps to the Smart Control app. Innovative motor technology ensures optimal performance and energy efficiency, providing years of dependable operation and saving you hundreds of dollars over traditional pond pumps. The AquaSurge is exceptionally versatile and can be oriented either horizontally or vertically using the included stand. The AquaSurge pump body will not corrode or rust, and the rubber feet prevent noise and vibration while in use. External and internal filter screens prevent debris from entering the AquaSurge pump. A convenient locking knob makes screen removal extremely easy for trouble-free maintenance. A variety of included fittings, rotational ball output, and threaded discharge makes installation quick and easy, allowing for simple connection to plumbing or check valve assembly. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 30 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.